Hi, my name is Bria. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Leave comments. Let me know your feedback. Let me know what kind of workouts you're looking for. Today, I'm just going to give you some trampoline workouts, a little bit of cardio, a couple combos that you can just follow along. Go at your own pace, modify whatever you need to, and let's get bouncing.
Down, bounce. Find that beat. It's not too fast. Down, down. Breathe. Here we go. Small kicks to the front. Kick, kick. Try to stay low, low. Press the weight down through your heels. You can add a twist. Twisting from your obliques. Tight core. 8, 6, 4, 2. Open cross. Switch it out. Alternate right in front, then left. Here we go. Single kick. You punch out together. Punch out together. You can try to tap your toe. Reach for it. Opposite hand. Woo! To the opposite foot. 2. From the top. Let's go with kicks. Front, front. Breathe. Twist. Nice job. Last 4, 3. The twist is optional. 2. Good. Opening cross is next. Take it out. Keep pressing the weight down through those heels. Swing those arms. Woo! Single kick. Punch. Out together. Or tap your toe. Reach. Good. Modify. Kick low. Or take it up for more of a challenge. 2. Good, twist. Exhale. Clap under. Other way, twist. Woo! Clap under. Other leg. Clap. Tap. Kick it out. Breathe here. You got it. Stay strong. Getting that heart rate up. You can add the twist. Or not. Last 4, 3, 2, open cross. Woo! Breathe. Push. 4. Kick and jumping jack. Hit. Out together. Stay with the beat. Nice. Or go at your own pace. Nice. Twist. 4. Have fun. Clap under. Down. Switch, twist. Clap under. Good. Pull down to the front. Knee up, up. Crunch it. Down bounce. Breathe here. From the top. Kick it up. Woo! Almost done. Twist. Open cross. Let's go. Nice job. Breathe here. Kick. Jumping jack. Hit. Out. Hit. And out. Nice job. Bounce it out. Breathe. Woo. You can grab water if you need it. But we're going right into our next bounce. Deep breath. You can keep moving if you're ready. Water if you need it. Weights are always optional. Find that beat. Down bounce. Swing the arms. Just roll those shoulders. To the front. Good. Step out, out, in, in. Breathe here. Woo! Faster. Here we go. Out, out, in. Keep it slow if you need to. Maybe lower. Woo! Go for 4, 3. Here we go. Let's sprint. 2 counts to the front. Turn side. To the back. To the side. To the front for 8, 7, woo, 6. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High bounce. Bounce it out. Heel taps. To the front. Switch, switch. Down bounce. Let's twist. Hey. Let's forget we're working out and just dance. Have a party. Arms are straight. 4, 3, 2, Heel taps, turn side. High knees, arms up. Down, other way, heels. High knees, take it up. Or you can do running arms. To the front, knees up, and take it down. You step out, in. This is your breather here. Woo! Stay up if you need to modify. Take it down if you're ready for that challenge. Faster, out, in. You can lead with your right or your left, so it's up to you. Go, 8, 7, push 6, 5, 4, 3, good. Here we go with our sprint. 2 counts. Turn side, 2. To the back, 2. To the side, 2. Go front for 8, you got it. 7, 6, faster, lower. 4, 3, 2. High bounce, woo. Nice. Take those heels out to the side. Swing those arms. You can go fast or slow. 4. Woo. Take it out and in. Doubles. Good. 2 more. Keep it bouncing. Here we go. Down, touch, jump. Down, touch. If you need to modify, just say low. 3. Here we go. 7. Take it out, in. You got it. So strong. 8, 7, 6. You can play around with which leg goes out first. Woo! 4, 3, 2. Faster. Out, in. Push. Here we go. Let's run. 2. Turn to the side. 2. To the back. Woo! Side. To the front. 4, 3, 2. High bounce. Nice job. Nice. Air high 5. Woo! Grab some water. You did great.